Good morning. We are live in the village of Fishlake, just outside Doncaster, which, as I'm sure you're aware, around about 3 weeks ago was totally devastated by flooding. And basically Bridlington Caravan Centre posted a video. We came and had a look and offered to help, and I'm really pleased to say that this is the first static caravan that we've provided as alternative accommodation. As you can see, the guys are just installing it now. They'll connect it to the mains electricity, also water, sewage, and so on. So basically this family, whilst it's not ideal and they're not anywhere near back on an even keel, at least they will have somewhere. And if we can help you or anyone you know, if you know of anyone that's been affected by the flooding, simply give us a call, 01262 606 777, and hopefully we'll be able to sort you out with some alternative accommodation. All we need is your insurance company details, the loss adjuster's contact details, and we will do the rest for you. And hopefully, like this family, as I say, we can get you into some alternative accommodation. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.